Hello students, hope you all are doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Still we are under pandemic situation, we have to continue our academics. So as part of that online classwork, I am preparing this video tutorials of engineering graphics subject to make you understand so that you can easily go through that and draw slowly step by step as per your convenience. Now we all know that we are dealing with unit number 4, projections of planes. Under that we are at exercise number 8. We have discussed some problems and we are going to continue next problem. Already we discussed this, but still a brief explanation again, slowly step by step, so that you can draw them easily. See the question. A pentagonal plate of 45 mm side has a circular hole of 40 mm diameter in its center. The plane stands on one of its sides on the HP with its plane perpendicular to VP and 45 degrees inclined to HP. Hope you all understand the question. Given plane is pentagonal plate. Pentagonal plate of 45 mm side. Pentagonal plate of 45 mm side. Inside that we are having a circular hole of 40 mm diameter its center. Hope you understand. See, we are having a pentagonal plate. In that pentagonal plate again a circular hole. See this. I am having a pentagonal plate of side, each side 45 mm. Inside that a circular hole. It's a hole, but you can see it's a black circle. It's nothing but a hole. It's a hole, through hole. Now the that's the plane given according to its dimensions and combinations of two planes. Now coming to its location, the plane stands on one of its sides. See, one of its sides on the HP. Plane stands on one of its sides on HP. See how many sides this pentagon will have? 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's one of its plane is standing on HP on its sides. See sides, how many sides? 1 sides. One side is on HP. Hope my hand palm is a horizontal plane and this blackboard is a vertical plane. It's standing on HP like this. Horizontal plane on one of its sides with its plane perpendicular to VP. What is the plane? This is the plane perpendicular to VP. This is a vertical plane, 90 degrees. It's perpendicular and 45 degrees inclined to HP. When this is on one side, this will be totally on HP. With respect to one side, it's being lifted such that here the angle with respect to HP is 45 degrees. It's given. Draw its projections. Projections are nothing but drawing its front view and top view. With respect to this position, with respect to this position, you are supposed to draw its front view and top view. Front view, you know, it's look like a line, right, with 3 points. 1, 2, 3 points. Top view, it's a pentagon, but a diminished shape of pentagon with circular hole inside, which will be diminished to an ellipse. So you cannot draw this directly, and you cannot expect the diminished size. So what we have to do is we have to go step by step procedure. Step by step procedure means we have to take this into a such position such that we can draw its true shape in any one of the views. It may be top view or front view. So in this regard, now what I am trying to do is I am removing the angle with respect to HP, 45 degrees. Once I remove this, what will happen? It will go and lie on HP. It will go and lie on HP. That HP is nothing but here it is on HP, perpendicular to VP. We are satisfying one condition still, which is plane perpendicular to VP. We are satisfying that. Now with respect to this position, we have to draw its projections. How to draw its projections? Front view and top view. But here, front view, it's a line which length you cannot guess and draw, which you cannot measure. So first we have to go for top view. Top view, you can draw the true shape of the pentagon. Front view, you can project the line. Line will be where? As this is on horizontal plane, line will be projected onto XY. Hope you all understand this explanation. Initial position at 45 degrees. We cannot draw directly, removing the angle such that it is on HP. Top view, true shape of the pentagon given dimension, and with respect to the centroid of the pentagon. With respect to the center, we are supposed to draw the circle in the top view. Two figures. Let me do that. As usual, a big XY line. First of all, pentagon. Pentagon top view, true shape. What is its dimension? See, keep this side vertical. Keep this side vertical. Sir, here comes another explanation. Drawing pentagon like this. One side we can lift it easily. You may ask a doubt, I can draw pentagon like this also. Means side parallel to VP. Now if I do so, I have to lift it rotation for an angle of 45 degrees with respect to one side, this side. If I try to lift it like this with respect to HP, I cannot able to draw even shape when I go for a second step. So it will be a little bit tough. So think that to easily rotate the front view, right? Front view means side is here. Again I have to make it rotate 45 degrees. Right? This line I have to rotate with respect to any one reference point. So that's why we are doing the line perpendicular to VP. Right? Once you did, you have to give dimension. Dimension of the plate is 45. Now inside this you are supposed to construct the circle. Before this you can do notations for this. A, B, C, D, E. Circle, right? You see this? It is having a circular hole of 40 mm diameter at its center. How to plot the center? See, centroid of the pentagon is something different. Corner, pick any corner, opposite side middle point. 45 middle point you will be just do with the help of that drawing perpendicular bisector. From here, draw a line. Next to B, opposite ED, center. From B. Next to C, opposite EAE. Keep a point, try to draw it. These three gets coincides at one center point, which is nothing but O. Right? That is how to draw or plot centroid for a pentagon. Now with respect to this, we are supposed to construct circle. Right? We are supposed to construct circle of 40 mm diameter, something but radius 20. Take your compass with radius 20. Try to construct circle. With inside your pentagon. Inside your pentagon, try to construct the circle. Now, projecting its front view. Now, projecting its front view is nothing but looking from here. What are the points? You can see A, B, C clearly, D, E, backside. So, see already we discussed when I remove the angle of 45 degrees, one side is on HP, one side on the HP. So, I have to make one side. That side I am making is AE. Now, if I try to project this line, see there are more number of lines, you don't get confused. From here I am drawing projector onto XY, here onto XY. Now, this becomes A dash, B dash, C dash. Now in brackets here again for this, backside D dash, E dash. Front view, it's a line here. Try to draw one more stroke such that it becomes thick. A dash, B dash, C dash. See, this is the point which is on HP or side which is on HP. AE. AE is a side, not a point. Now coming to this again, we are supposed to go for second step, taking this into 45 degrees. As I said, here we are having line, straight line in the front view. When this plane surface has to be rotated at an angle of 45 degrees, now that line is lifted to 45 degrees. That line when lifted to 45 degrees, right? The circle which is inside it has also to be lifted. So again, to convert a circle into an ellipse, we need more number of points on its surface. So as usual, we are supposed to divide this circle into 12 parts, 6 parts or 8 parts, preferably 8, right? With respect to this center, I am dividing this into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? In middle, I am drawing one more line. I am just drawing 2 diameters and 1 inclined diameter so that it will divide into 8 parts itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Project the front view of this, right? When you look from here, this circle inside will look like a line. So from 1, small line, 2 through 8, 3 through 7, 4 through 6, 5. One line here. You can observe I have differentiated with the help of a red color. Points. From here when you are looking, you can see only 1 dash clearly visible, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Back side there is 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. Hope you all understand. Finally, we have done the true shape, top view and front view. Now in continuation with that, what is the first next step we are supposed to do? Surface. See, you have drawn top view with circular hole, front view, straight line. Now I am lifting with respect to one side. What is this side here? AE. Lifting 45 degrees. That means whatever the line length which you are seeing, which is not given, you have to measure. That line length has to be rotated at an angle of 45 degrees. For this, what you have to do is use, this is step 1. Step 2, pick any point on XY line. Draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees. Angle at an angle of 45 degrees. Now on this, take your compass. This point is A dash, E dash. Nothing but a side. A dash, E dash is a side. Now take your compass. Measure AC first. So AC. This is the thing. Cut the arc on this. So that this point will be C dash. Now on the same way, measure B dash. Cut it for B dash. I am doing one by one. Now for this, whatever the A dash, B dash is there, same length I have drawn and make a cut. Now from here, draw the projectors towards downside. I am completing the pentagon part first. Now from here, try to draw horizontal lines from A, from B, C, D, E. We got intersection of horizontal projectors and vertical projectors. Pick the points. See, pick the points for final projection. A. We are going for second shape, second new shape. That's why I am going for A1. B to B, B1. C line, C, C1. D, sorry, here it's back side. There is D dash, C, D. Here D1. Now E to E, E1. After picking the point, just try to join AB, BC, CD, DE, A, again E to A. You can observe the pentagon which is diminished. I hope you all understand the pentagon is diminished. Now here we have to same project the circle. Circle again. Now complete the circle with same steps. From A, measure your compass for 1 dash. From A for 1 dash. Next, from A, measure 2 dash. From A dash, measure 3 dash. All depends upon your compass. From A dash, 4 dash. From A dash, 5 dash. So I hope whatever the numbers I am writing, you are just trying to look them clearly. If not, you can zoom them. Now in brackets, whatever the there, here 5, 6 dash here, for 3, 7 dash here, for 2, 8 dash here. Same points with the help of compass. I took measurement from A dash 1 dash cut, A dash 2 dash cut, A dash 3 dash cut, A dash 4 dash cut, A dash 5 dash cut. Once I have projected all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the inclination line, in the second step front view, I can draw vertical projectors to the step 2 top view. Vertical projectors from 1. Try to use your drafter from 1. Vertical, 2 vertical, 3 vertical, 4, 5. See, just for your clarification, I am using different colors. You can do the same with the help of one pencil, 2 heads, so that you can easily draw. Now from step 1 top view, you have to take the lines. See where we have 1 and 5 are on the same line, which is this. 1 and 5 are on the same line. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 will get a separate line. 3 a separate line. 4, 5 already done. 6 and 8 will be on the same line. 7 probably will be a separate line. See that these lines will depend upon the way how you draw. It may be inside or outside. Please don't get 8 already done, 1 already done. See 1 through 5, 2, 1 line, 3, 1 line, 4 already with 2, 5 already with 2, 6 line, 7th line, 8 already which is 6, 8 parts. Don't do more parts, you will get confused. Now pick the points. Pick the points. See for 1 and 1 here. 1, 1. 2, second line horizontal, second line vertical. 2, 1. Third line horizontal, third line vertical. 3, 1. Fourth horizontal, fourth vertical. 4, 1. Sorry. 5 horizontal, 5 vertical. 5, 1. 6 horizontal, 6 vertical. 6, 1. 7th horizontal, 7th vertical. 7, 1. 8th horizontal, 8th vertical. 8, 1. Hope you all are seeing the points. 8 points. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1. Try to join them with the help of free hand as looking like ellipse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. I may not be drawn elliptical shape, but when you draw it, you will be clearly able to draw the elliptical shape. So it's all process, step by step process, nothing difficult in this. Do follow the steps. You know the concept, you know the procedure. Initially true shape, top view with 2 things, front view. Second, again take this into 45, cut it, mark all the points from A dash to C dash, inside all the points. Projectors, first draw the pentagon separately, then draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dashes on the 45 degrees line. Draw the vertical projections. horizontal projectors, connect them, find the intersection points, so that you will be finally getting this. Right? This is the final answer, should be thick. Finally, what are the thick parts which you are supposed to do is final top view, final front view. Right? This line should be thick with markings up to here. This is thick, this answer is thick. Right? Hope you all understand. Go through it. As this is a video tutorial, whenever you got doubt, you can go back and come to forward and play it and again look at it. Try to draw this problem neatly on your drawing sheets which you took and complete it. Right? Thank you everyone.